Hello everyone, today I will be sharing with you ceramic planters which I have in different sizes and for different plants. Most of them are in double combinations. I have bought these from different places and different prices, so let's check them. Most of them I have used it, so you will be seeing some of the marks of cocoa pit or some dusts. So I am using all of them. Let's check it from here. This is the bigger one. The build quality is very good. It seems like this is some marble made, but all these are ceramic planters only. I will mention the price in the display, but the mentioned written price may be different from the actual price, and prices may vary because these are dependent on the demand and supply and the region from where you are buying. The price mentioned is 450 rupees, but the actual cost which I have paid is 250 rupees. This is a nursery name from where I bought this one. This one is a smaller one. I bought it is in 150 rupees. See the design, very nice flower. So most of them comes in set of 3. This is smaller one, then bigger one, then bigger one, and also in different designs. I will also showing the plants which I am using for to put them. Price mentioned in 150 rupees, but I bought it on 120 rupees. This is the same. This price is 150 rupees. I also bought it in 120 rupees. This one is nice one, and the finishing is very good. Price mentioned is 140 rupees. I bought it around 120 rupees. We also get such type of design in lesser price, but this one is having the build-in quality is very good and finishing is very good. Let me show you what plants I am using with these planters, so that while going into the market you would be having some idea about how can we use these planters. The bigger one I am using for the outdoor planters, and these are most of them are I'm using for the indoor plants. As you can see, hope you have liked all these planters. If you will like, I will be uploading one more videos with the varieties of other planters which I am using. Thank you for watching the video.